What's up guys, Bonkers Barco here, and today we're going to make an alarm clock. Yeah, it's going to be very cool, but basically I just wanted to do a little catch up. Last video we did this where you click the lever and it makes itself bridge. I don't know what to call it. Anyway, this is a insanely simple build. It's the simplest one we've done so far. So you just need to set up like this, I don't know, any colour bed you want, clock like this. Yeah, so you just want to clock. Oh, why did I just do that? And I just did it again. Oh, that's just annoying. Anyway, so we just black space like this. Blank space. Sorry, not black space. Blank space. So it's going to be 7 across and 5 up. I don't know, 35 spaces basically. And in the middle, so you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to put a daylight sensor. There we go. And that is basically like our key. I don't know what to call it. Yeah, that is basically just, you know, the key thing. So it's going to do this. Maybe we'll click it down to the last one. There we go. No, the last one. Or second to last, or yeah. And then I'm going to put this here and tap it how many times you like. Yeah, I'm just going to do that there. It's easier to do this at night, so I'm just going to set the time to midnight. So yeah, right now it's going to put a redstone block, redstone dust here, and then that there, and then one before the end, because it has to be one before the one that we just did, and the one before was like we clicked it, I don't know, yeah, just until the last one. This time we're going to do it to the second last one, next one we're going to do it to the third to last one. So basically you can have any tune you want, but what the redstone repeater does is it like stops it from going done, and it makes it go dun dun dun, so it makes a really nice tune. You can have a massive alarm clock if you want, or you can have a really tiny one like I'm having. So I'm just gonna, yeah, that's enough notes. And that is actually done. Like, that was insanely quick. So I'm gonna go to sleep in my bed. There we go. It's gonna be the morning soon, and it's gonna hear this. There we go. Anyway, so that is how to make an alarm clock. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all later. Bye.